Hello everyone and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly share the video. So of course, unfortunately, many of the signals which I have sent last Saturday are not going in the profits, such as the EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDUSD, and I think USDCHF as well. Meanwhile, NZD/USD was actually going into a profit of so far of almost 80 pips of profit. Gold from the deal of the day, as you can see, has already been activated right here, and it went all the way to the take profit level, making 320 pips of profit. So gold deal of the day has indeed paid off and went exactly as I have predicted. Not only that, but also the AUDUSD deal of the day went in a big profit. We have closed it in the group with 80 pips of profit, but however, it actually kept running. As you can see right here, I have announced here on the free group of Telegram to close it in 80 pips of profit. But some of the members, I think they kept it running, and those who did that actually have been able to close it with 128 pips of profit. So it was a good deal, my friends. But however, we cannot, of course, claim to be able to read the whole market every single time. So 4 signals from the weekly analysis have failed. 2 of the deal of the day has actually have succeeded. NZD/USD from the weekly analysis is running in profit. So what's next with the market? Let me just now tell you what we will do next with the EURUSD. First of all, let's get rid of the old signal, and now let's understand something, that we can no longer sell the EURUSD. Now, why am I saying that? Well, if we check on the 1 hour time frame or even 4 hour time frame, if we track the Fibonacci retracement, we can notice that the market has actually made a bullish breakout from Fibonacci 61.8. Now, those who actually following me, they know very well that Fibonacci 61.8 is like the barrier between an upper trend or a downtrend. So EURUSD, in my opinion, was actually going in general in a small downtrend, but however, we can no longer sell the EURUSD since that this level of a resistance right here exactly at 1.09638 hasn't been respected. And as you can see right now, the bullish movement here is stronger. And as you can see, after breaking out from 61.8, now what we can do next is actually expect a pullback to happen, and the market most likely will be retesting the level of 61.8, but not exactly. So let me just now move to the 1 hour time frame to show you where exactly is the best level to start buying the EURUSD again. If I'm not mistaken, and hopefully I'm not, this is right here, exactly right here, is going to be the best level to start buying the EURUSD again, for one reason, or actually 2 reasons. First one is, of course, that this was the nearest support level to the bullish breakout candle, and as we can see, it has already become right here a new support. So we already have here support number 1. So therefore, I would highly recommend to wait for the EURUSD to fall all the way to the same level of the support at 1.09564, and there is going to be created here a second attempt of the support, and there is going to be a good level to start buying this pair. Another reason is, of course, using the support trend lines, and as we can see right here, based on the 1 hour time frame, if I use this level of a support trend line just like that, as you can see, that's really perfect. Now we can see that this level of a support trend line, as we can see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts of support trend lines has indeed become right here a new resistance trend line, but that the market actually couldn't hold the position for so long, and right here we are having a fake breakout from that level, and now we are having finally the bullish breakout. Now, adding this to the fact that the market has actually made a bullish breakout from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, that means that we can see that we can buy the gold exactly after it fall to another 25 pips exactly at the level of the nearest support, and also this level of support trend line will most likely gonna be respected. So therefore, let's wait for the gold to fall. Did I say gold? I mean the EURUSD, guys. I'm sorry about this mistake. But let's wait for the EURUSD to fall all the way right here to this level of a support and buy it. However, the take profit level this time will be right here at the highest level of a nearest resistance at 1.10408, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a previous key support level at 1.09125. The safe zone will be ranging for 41 pips against 85 pips of profit. There goes your signal, my friends, for the EURUSD. Let's now move to the GBPUSD. Guys, before we continue, kindly don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, considering that this video is being made at 3:30 in the morning, and I would really appreciate if you can at least hit the like button for this effort. So now, what's next with the pound USD? Unfortunately, we can no longer sell the pound USD for the same reasons. As you can see right here, if we check the Fibonacci retracement based on the 4-hour time frame, the market right now is actually above 61.8. However, I would actually, let me just delete the old signal. I would actually advise everyone to buy the market right here at the nearest level of a previous support, exactly right here, to be precise, at 1.27019. If we move to the 1-hour time frame, we can notice that actually right here, to be precise, yes, exactly. We can notice right here that this level, of course, has been the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. Actually, my friends, this is my trading strategy. Looking for the bullish breakout candle and then look at the left side to find the nearest support. Once I do that, I will be buying the market exactly right here at the same level of the support, of course. So by looking at the Fibonacci retracement right now, let me just check it out one more time. As you can see, this was almost 38.2, and if we look also right here at the support trend line level, same what we did with the EURUSD, we can notice that this is exactly the right level of a previous support trend line, as you can see, which has already become also a resistance trend line for once. And right here, the second attempt of the resistance trend line has indeed failed, and the market kept rising. So let's wait for the market to make one pullback again to retest the same level of a support, and then we can buy this pair. So buying the pound USD exactly, I want to be precise. Let me just go to the 30-minute time frame. We want to have the safest and the best entry possible for this pair. I think there, exactly, yes, right here at the highest level of a resistance and the previous level of a support, exactly, just like that. Yes, that's gonna be actually a better entry. And let's wait for the pound USD to fall to another 25 pips, aiming at least the highest level of a nearest resistance. Not so much, I think it's gonna be 86 pips only, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a support at 1.2666. So the safe zone will be ranging for about 37 pips against 87 pips of profit. Moving now to the AUDUSD. AUDUSD unfortunately also is failing, so let's see now what we can do next with this pair, and let's continue tracking the market. So based on the daily chart right now, we can notice it clearly right here that the market has actually made a bullish breakout from this level of a resistance at 0.67274. Now, by looking at the left side, we can notice that the same level has indeed been another level of a strong support and a resistance as well. So let's make it really simple. I don't want to keep talking for long. We will be buying the AUDUSD exactly right here at the same level of the previous level of a support based on the daily chart. This is one really perfect setup in my opinion. Just wait for the AUDUSD to reach the same level of a support right here, and then we can place our buy order, meaning we have to wait for the market to fall to another almost 30 pips. However, take profit level will be right here exactly at this level of a resistance at 0.68191, aiming at least 90 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a resistance right here at 0.66908. So the safe zone will be ranging for 36 pips only. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Actually, guys, I really just want to get done with this video. I'm not really in the mood, to be honest with you. I'm making this video right now to have a relief of something personal, but I'm not in the mood. I will not lie to you guys. I'm just not in the mood. Anyway, now for the USDCAD. For the USDCAD, let me just take a look at it, guys, because my only problem, actually, yes, as you can see, the USDCAD signal has indeed been activated right now, but my only problem is this strong bullish movement right here. I cannot really trust that. The candle here is a full bar, and most likely right now the USDCAD is actually going to continue the fall. Based, of course, on the daily chart and even 4-hour time frame, the market has made a reversal right here, just like 13 pips before reaching our entry, and went in about 60 pips right now. The market actually, after creating here 2 attempts of the resistance, it has actually failed to break out from this level of a resistance, indicates actually a strength or actually a pressure from these sellers. So let's consider actually selling the USDCAD instead of buying it, guys. We have got to change our signals based on the current new price action. So right here, as we can see, we're having the nearest strong key level of a resistance, as we can see exactly at 1.33721. This level, my friends, has already become right here a strong key level of a support, and right here it was also a key level of a resistance. So therefore, let's wait for the USDCAD to rise again, reaching the same level of a resistance. Oh boy, that's going to be a good signal, hopefully. And then the market will continue the fall. So waiting for the USDCAD to rise to another 38 pips is going to be our target. However, our take profit level will be right here actually at the nearest level of a key support, also based on the daily chart at 1.32838. Expecting at least let's say about 90 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance, where the market has actually failed to make a bullish breakout, ranging for about 37 pips only. Let's now move to the USDCHF. USDCHF, as you can see, unfortunately has completely failed. However, let me just tell you something, that giving a signal right now for the USDCHF is going to be a little bit risky. Why? Because based on the daily chart, the market has indeed reached the bottom of the support. Those who are following me for a long time, they know clearly that I'm not really the trader who trade these levels. These are high demand levels, high on demand levels, and therefore I would really recommend to wait for the USDCHF to give us a better reading on the market. We have to know what will gonna happen, my friends. Right now it's a strong support zone right here. So what will gonna happen? Will the pair continue the reversal? Will it continue the fall? We are not yet sure. So therefore I will be waiting for the USDCHF to give us a better readings. I wouldn't recommend to sell the, you know what, based on the daily chart, maybe we can. Yes, actually now I see the pullback happens. When I decided to not give a signal, this wasn't here. This pullback right here, which is happening right now, it wasn't there. Right now I'm looking at it and I'm expecting now, okay, maybe we can see a pullback happen. So therefore, if that happens, and based on the daily chart, I think it's not going to be that bad idea to sell the USDCHF right here on this level of a previous resistance. As you can see, the same level has actually been right here a real level of a support, which is also the nearest one to that bearish breakout candle. So moving now to the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look at the resistance based on the 4-hour time frame. Oh boy, yeah, that's really a good one. However, this is going to be like a scalping signal, because we will actually be aiming to sell from the resistance right here, aiming right here, the lowest level of a support right here exactly. Let's be precise, exactly, yes, at 0.85668, which means we will actually be aiming only 63 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a support right here at 0.86651. So therefore, yes, that's gonna be actually not bad. Our safe zone ranging for 32 pips against 63 pips of profit. That's interesting. I was really not willing to give a signal for the USDCHF, but the changes here happening is actually encouraging me to do that. Anyway, let's now move to the NZD/USD. Alright, so NZD/USD, as you can see, my friends, is indeed running in a profit. However, we can actually continue buying this pair at a certain level. So let me just now delete the old signal, and let's just highlight that this was the only signal with the gold, of course, running in about 80 pips of profit. And the gold, again, reminder guys, it was running in 316 pips of profit. It has already hit the take profit level. So for that, at least, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly also share the video. So what's next now with the NZD/USD? Actually, if we look right now at the daily chart, the NZD/USD right now has made actually a bullish breakout from this long-term resistance at 0.67498. Now, if we look right here at the left side, however, we can notice that this level hasn't actually been a support ever. Look at that. Based on the daily chart, we don't see actually any attempt of a support right here. However, if we lower the line to be right here exactly, just right there, now that actually makes sense. We can notice that this was the nearest support to the current bullish breakout candle, as you can see. So right here, we're having the bullish breakout, we're having a resistance, 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 and there, the nearest support. Just right there. This is the nearest support. It was also a previous support in the past. So therefore, what I want to say is 0.62254 was actually a strong level of a previous support. So therefore, moving back to the 4-hour time frame, we would actually wait for this pair to fall to another. Actually, based on the 4-hour time frame, we might need to change that. Let me just take a look, guys. Scroll to the right, to the left side, sorry. Exactly, just like that. Check this out. So based on the 4-hour time frame, we can notice that this was right here the nearest level of a support, exactly just like that. Just like that, yes, perfect. Now we can notice that this was, of course, a real level of a resistance. It was a support right here. So therefore, I would assume that buying the AUDUSD exactly right here at the previous level of a key resistance at 0.62433 is going to be our best option. Let's wait for this pair to fall to another 26 pips before we can start buying it. However, the take profit level this time will be placed at the nearest level of a resistance at 0.63066, aiming at least 64 pips of profit, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a key resistance right here at 0.62079, ranging for about 33 pips only. And that's everything for the USD. Let's now move to the gold, but unfortunately I will not be able to give any signal on the gold again for one reason. As you can see, my friends, the gold has indeed reached right here the real level of a resistance, exactly right here at the bracket of 2040. Now we have to wait a clear movement to what will gonna happen. Now, most likely, guys, after reversing from this level of a support, we can actually expect a continuation in the bullish movement. But my only problem here is the weekly chart. The weekly chart shows actually right here a strong bearish movement, or actually a strong bearish price action. Looking at the big candle right here, and right here actually we are facing a real level of a resistance also. Not only that, but the gold is actually reversing exactly right here at the real level of a resistance. So we are not yet sure what will gonna happen. I will save the gold for another deal of the day. So therefore, guys, to save your money and to save your save my name, of course, also, I will not give a signal here on the gold. I will just wait for the gold to give us a more clear readings, so actually I can send you a deal of the day on it. Now, of course, don't forget in the end to join our free group of Telegram to receive one signal every day. And also right here, don't forget also that we are still having the December offer to join our VIP group with actually a free days of the rest of December. So to find out more details about that, contact our support, my friends. And as you can see, the terms are written in front of you. You just need to join the VIP right now, and your membership will start only 1st of January. So you will get at least 10 days for free. Anyway, guys, I will see you soon in another live trading video if we can. And until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.